Hello everyone, welcome to Day to Day Human channel. Today we are going to be looking at Willful T3 wireless earbuds. So let's open the box. There's a okay, so that's your user manual. Wireless earbuds T3. Happy? Yeah, I'm happy. Okay, that's your support. That's your user instructions. And there is the box. Very nice, cute little box. Here you see the white light that comes on. So that's your earphones. And there is a small box here. Let's open this. That's your charging cable, I guess. Okay, so you get some more earplugs, and that's your charging cable. Not a bad length. So let's charge it. There it is. Oh, this is a C-type cable. That's good. There you see. So that's charging. So 3 lights. So the 4th light is blinking. So I guess once that is done, it's kind of fully charged. So overall, this looks cute, small, and you have a C-type charging as well. The earplugs are looking good. I purchased this in Amazon. I will be giving you the product link in the description. So pairing is really simple. So you just take the earplugs and then automatically gets turned on, and you will see this option in available device. Just click on it, pair. That's it. It's connected to your mobile. It's that simple. So there are certain things where you have to remember. One is the touch key. So the basic functions: left earbud, touch once, play pause, touch twice, play previous song, and the right earbud, touch once, play pause, play next song. So if you're not used to AirPods, initially it might be difficult to touch the exact spot, but now once you practice, it becomes easy. And there's one more thing where you have to remember, where you might be struggling. This is like how to clear the pairing record. So if you face some confusions with your earpods, there are ways where you can clear the pairing record, kind of a reset. So these are the instructions which is there in your manual. Apart from that, overall a good, nice looking um, earpods, easy to use, looks like Apple AirPods. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, give a like, subscribe to my channel for further videos.